Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Melvin Ray R. Garcia, 18 years old. I live at number 34, La Fuente, Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija. My parents are Mr. Renato S. Garcia, an overseas Filipino worker in Los Angeles, California, and my mother, a plain housewife living in Nueva Ecija. I have two brothers, namely Marverick R. Garcia and Mervy Renzel R. Garcia. I was born on the 31st of October, year 1992. I finished my elementary and secondary education at Holy Cross College, Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija. I am currently studying at Pat's College of Aeronautics, taking up BS Aeronautical Engineering because I do believe that the aviation industry is the fastest booming industry in our economy. My favorite pastime activities are listening to music and bar hopping. My favorite dishes are Filipino cuisines and Italian dishes. My goals in life are to work abroad, to sustain the needs of my family, and to have my own house here in the Philippines. My most embarrassing and unforgettable moment was when I fell down from the stair right in front of my relatives. I like those people who are easy to be with, nice, friendly, and kind. And my dislikes about people are when they are not easy to get along with, very silent, and not cheerful at all. My favorite saying is, do not do unto others what you want others do not do unto you. Because I do believe in action as an equal reaction. That's all. Thank you. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.